Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and easy tech tutorial. Today, we're tackling something that's a game changer for all you TikTok enthusiasts. How to watch TikTok videos in full screen mode for 2025. With the latest updates, it's simpler than ever to dive into that immersive viewing experience. Whether you're on your phone, tablet, or computer, I'll walk you through it step by step, so you can enjoy every dance, prank, and trend without any distractions. First things first, why bother with full screen? It makes your videos feel larger than life, perfect for those epic challenges or funny skits. Plus, TikTok's 2025 enhancements mean better quality and fewer glitches. Let's start with the most common way, on your mobile device. Open the TikTok app, scroll to a video you love, and hit play. Now, look in the bottom corners of the screen for the full screen icon. It's those two arrows pointing outwards. Tap it, and your video will expand to fill the entire screen. If you're on an iPhone, you might need to rotate your phone to landscape mode for the full effect. Android users, the process is similar, but make sure your app is updated to the 2025 version for optimal performance. Speaking of updates, always check the App Store or Google Play to ensure you're running the latest software. It fixes bugs and adds new features. Now, if you're watching on a computer or tablet via the web, head over to TikTok.com and log in. Once a video is playing, you'll spot a full screen button in the bottom right corner of the player. Click it, and voila! Your browser window transforms into a TikTok haven. One quick tip. If full screen isn't working, double-check your device settings. Enable auto rotate on your phone or make sure your browser is in full compatibility mode. There you have it, you're now a pro at watching TikTok in full screen for 2025. It only takes a few seconds and makes a world of difference. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.